All right, so this just came in the mail. This is from SpaceX, and this is the Starship Torch. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. This is actually the first thing I've gotten from SpaceX. All the other stuff I've gotten actually from the Tesla store. So this is gonna be cool. Oh, there it is. And as you can see here, the Space X Torch. And here is the box. This is the illustration. I really like illustrations like this. Kind of just goes back to the old school designer in me, but illustration on the back. It is a Starship Torch scale 1 to 200. And on the back has the illustration of it. Nose cap, refill port, the butane main tank, primary valve, air intake cavity, and igniter at the very bottom. And then here it does say, features refillable with standard butane canisters, adjustable flame, safety lock, 1 to 200 scale. This is 100% not a toy. Oh, dude, that is sweet. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. And here it is. Now, there's already some fingerprints on here, of course, from probably whoever packed it. It does have the SpaceX logo here at the very bottom. And if you flip it over, you can see where the torch is actually going to be coming out. Controls here on the back. Safety switch here at the very bottom. So you're just gonna pop that down when the safety switch off. So you actually twist it clockwise, that'd be counterclockwise. And there you go. So at the very top, you pop the nose off, and then this is where you're gonna be refilling the butane right there at the very top. And let me see here at the bottom, has the safety switch. And of course, this is where you're gonna be, oh, it does light. What? There's something in here. Whoa, it actually did light. Hold on. It's lit. There's a little bit in there, I guess. I don't feel anything. Yeah, so they probably had to put a tiny bit in there just to test it out. But it looks like it is all out now. But time to get some butane so I can fill this thing up. Just want to do a quick unboxing for you. The Starship Torch 1/200 scale. This is available on the SpaceX.com shop, not on the Tesla shop. And I will leave the link down below. I'm not sure if they are back in stock yet. Last time I checked, they weren't shipping again until 2024. But either way, I'll leave a link down below. Just want to do a quick unboxing for you. The Starship Torch from SpaceX. See you in the next one. Take care.